Okay. The prototype demonstration is conducted based on set of scenarios. Let's see the first scenario. The first scenario is focusing on to give you some idea about when the housing information is not personalized, how the mashup is retrieved, how the housing information is presented. So here I have a Facebook user called John Peterson, and his profile does not contain any personal information to use as metadata to obtain personalized housing information. So the mashup will provide all the housing information it has without personalization. So I have created a Facebook user called John Peterson, and he doesn't contain any of the required personal information. So the information personalization will not happen from the mashup. So in order to verify his profile, so I am going to connect to Facebook and using his email address. So, okay, this is his Facebook user profile. Okay, you will see it contains very limited information. Only two friends information is available, and the profile information is very limited. Only set of basic information and set of contact information is available, but this information is not adequate to generate personalized housing information. So for John Peterson, the housing mashup system will not provide any personalized housing information. Instead, it will provide all the housing and loan information it has. So I'm going to log out from the Facebook. So we'll use personalized housing mashup system, which is the developed prototype to to connect to obtain housing information. So in order to use the prototype, a registration is required. So John Peterson, I'll, the username is JP and password is 123. So it's registered with the system, and based on the registered credentials, I can log into the system. So this screen basically contains displays or obtained user information from social networks. So after mashup system obtains user personal information from social networks, the obtained user information is displayed in this screen. So in order to obtain user information to the mashup system, I have to connect the social network, which is Facebook. So in order to connect with Facebook, um, I'm using F-Connect. So here I have to give the same credentials I used in earlier to connect Peterson's Facebook profile. So I am giving the same credentials to connect to allow the mashups to connect to the Facebook and obtain Peterson's uh, profile information. You will see here the Peterson's profile information is being displayed in this screen. Since Peterson doesn't contain any image in his profile, the image becomes blank, but some set of information, the existing available Peterson's information is being retrieved and displayed here. You will see this locational details and the educational and details and Work history is uh, not provided or not present in Peterson's Facebook profile. Therefore, the mashup system cannot provide personalized housing information, because in order to provide personalized housing information, mashup systems consider those these uh, information types, like location, the education information records, and the work history records, and the various type of locational information. Also, the friends information are also obtained along with Peterson's personal information. So after acceptance, so mashup system provides personal, not personal, the housing information to Peterson, which is not being personalized. So here, the Google Map API is used as how the data presentation mechanism of the mashup system, as uh, uh, the data presentation platform of the mashup system. You will see uh, the housing information is presented. So if you check these pointers represent houses with location and information. If you click on this particular location pointer, it provides the housing information and housing type and all the housing information. But for prototype, I did not provide the in detailed description of the house and the but just the house name. So two-story houses are provided. All the type of housing information the mashup contains is provided. Apartments for rent and flats, uh, and everything is provided related to this area, which is near to Colombo area. Sri Chavardhanapur area is presented. So if you browse or the Google Map, you will see a lot of housing information in various areas are provided. Because this information is not personalized, you will see how information is being overloaded. So this is an example of unpersonalized mashup system. So this is Sri Lanka. The housing information in various areas of Sri Lanka is presented. So let's see different portions. So you will see here the housing information in different provisions and different sections of the country is presented. And the loan information related to housing domain also presented. All the loan information, regardless of the type or uh, anything, all the loan information that the mashup contains is provided. So this is the first scenario. This first scenario, the first prototype scenario, is basically focusing on the mashup behavior, or to provide give some idea when mashup is not personalized, how mashup behaves. Or when the information is not personalized, you will see you saw that the information is being overloaded in the mashup system. So we applied the information personalization technique to avoid or the reduce the information overload, and to emphasize fair use of external resources.